Here's a really neat 1937 Cadillac Series 60. The old GM flathead V8. And this thing runs awesome. You turn the key on, hit the button. Running. Smooth. Really neat car. It's amazing what this rides like for a 1937. Just goes down the road like they say, like a Cadillac. Very unique car. Got the trunk and rumble seat. Put that up. Dual spare tires. Three-speed manual. Got turn signals. Does have a new radio too with Bluetooth. And now we get the sun out. Not sure what's chirping. We'll figure that out. From over here. It's a neat old car.